So this third one we're reflecting. So picture this flipping over the line. So D is going to go that way, A is going that way, B is going that way, and C is going that way. So let's do each of those step by step. I'm going to do A and D first. So other than that, it's the exact same thing we've been doing. So again, I like using my colors from one this complicated because I've got a lot of lines that are going to be here. So this is for point D. So point D prime is here. I'll move point A. Got to extend my line out for point A some. So using the same measurement, A's got a mark there and a mark there. So there's A prime. And now the other 2 points, you know what? I'm going to make it a little easier on myself. I'm going to flip the paper upside down and do B and C. Okay, so C, let's do that in blue. Again, need to extend that line up a little bit. Hope that works. Ah, good. You know what? That's not quite good enough. Let me get a better line. There you go. That's better. And in the last one, B prime. Okay, so from the intersection of that, there's B prime. And now I just connect my new dots. So we're still reflecting over the line, even though it crossed over the line. We flipped over the line, so there we go. Simple as that. Let me turn it back around normal so you can see the final result. Okay. So checking another one of these. It gets easier from here, I think. Find a line of reflection. Remember, finding a line of reflection is just a perpendicular bisector. I wouldn't choose these 2 points because they are way close together. I'm going to choose the 2 over here, B and B prime. A little further apart makes it a little easier to work with. So I just do a perpendicular bisector. We found out perpendicular bisectors are very useful in a lot of these constructions. Staple got in the way a little bit there. And then, well, that really got in the way because I can't see it. There we go. There we go. There's our perpendicular bisector. Now, these picture's not very good, so you can see I wasn't quite perfect on it, but it's close enough. Okay, let's try another one. Line of reflection. So I just choose 2 points that correspond. I'm going to choose this point and its matching little point down there. And I just do a perpendicular bisector. Okay, whoops. And then I line it up. There we go. So I chose the 2 points in the center here, drew my line, did my perpendicular bisector, and that one looks a lot better. Okay, still moving in. Center of rotation. Remember, center of rotation are 2 perpendicular bisectors. Make sure you match up corresponding points. So A and A prime match up. So let me do that. Back to A prime. And perpendicular bisector. Let me do that in a different color so I can see it clearly. And now I'll do B and B prime. Okay, so B prime and B. I'll connect that in brown as well so that I can find my 2 brown lines intersecting. Okay, so my point of rotation is right there. Okay. Remember, you're looking at where the lines intersect, not where the curves. So I used the curves to find the lines. Okay, next question. Dilation or expansion. So we can see it got bigger. So that's expansion. And then find the center of the dilation. So this is where we just connect matching points. Okay, so I'll connect A and A prime here. And I'll connect maybe D and D prime. Yeah, I need to extend my line just a touch. Extend the other one some. Okay, easy enough. I can find my point to be right there. One more of those and you're done for the night. So let's do that last one. This one, are we a dilation? Is it an expansion or contraction? Looks like it got smaller, so I'm going to say contraction. Okay, find that center of dilation. So we connect some points together. Connect y and y prime. I'm not sure which way it's going to go, so I'm just going to go in both directions here. X and x prime. Oh, now I see it. I need to extend that one a little more out this way. There we go. So there's my center. Now, if xy is 10 and this x prime y prime is 8, what's the scale factor? Well, we got smaller, so it's going to be smaller over the larger, which if I reduce that is 4 over 5. There's my scale factor. Okay. And if yz is, find yz, well, yz is 6.4, find y prime z prime. So we take 6.4 times 4/5, and that'll give you your answer, okay? So you can figure that out with a calculator. I don't have a calculator on me right now, so I'm going to let you figure that number out, okay? That's it. Have a good night.